So this is a YouTube apps integration on your Samsung devices if you use Samsung phones. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be discussing a very useful YouTube integrated feature on our Samsung keyboard that you need to definitely know as a Samsung user. So basically, whenever you're talking to somebody and then you want to send them a YouTube video link, what do? Normally what you do is you close the Telegram app or whatever app you're using, you open up YouTube, you select a specific video, right? And when you select a specific video, you simply tap on share and then you copy the link, or maybe you directly select Telegram or whatever else in order to send this video to that person. Well, fortunately there is no need for you to do that because on Samsung keyboard we have a feature called YouTube. So whenever I open up this feature over here, I can see this little three dot icon on the right hand side of my Samsung keyboard, right? When I just click on the three dots, you'll be able to see all these options, right? And then over here you'll find this little option that is YouTube, which means that the Samsung keyboard app has the ability to search for YouTube videos within the keyboard itself. You don't need to exit out of this application to search for YouTube videos. And this, in my case and in this particular case, is a very handy feature. If you're talking to someone, you don't want to walk away from the conversation and then you want to directly send them a search for a video, you can just search for the specific video on YouTube, tap on continue button, and then you can simply search for the video. You can also see the search bar over here, and then you can send them the video that you want to send, and then the link will be copy pasted automatically. Then just click on send and the video will be sent to them person. As you can see, this is a legit 100% YouTube video, as you can see, and this is by far one of the most useful features I have ever seen on any of the keyboard. It is not also available on Google keyboard, I'm not sure about that, but if you're a Samsung user, this feature is definitely very useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, subscribe to the channel, make sure to leave a like, and thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.